Okay, in this drawing, I'm going to take a work from life, and I'll use photographic reference. So here's where we're taking and beginning the thing, and then this one is a little different than some of the drawings I've done earlier, in that I'm taking and working with, starting the drawing with watercolor. So I've got my is creating a light wash that I can take and draw with. And then I'm going to do the drawing with watercolor and my little handmade Altoid water. Okay. So now, working fairly large here.
Wait, I like the baby one. What? One's going potty. What's going?
So as long as my subject is holding still, the head has moved quite a bit, but I can take and get a feeling for how the forms actually go. And now, continuing this drawing, working from a little bit of reference material. So now, going back into this with graphite, and here working with the back of the skull, emphasizing the shape of the eye socket. Now the goats are, the eyes are placed more to the side, saying it contrasts from a dog or a cat, which are predators. The goat's not a predator. He's a grazer, and chances are he's the thing that's being chased to eat. So now I'm going back in and the surface of the form as I'm drawing. So the lines, you might, I guess it would be often considered as sort of a crosshatch, although I'm not really crosshatching. Look at this leg now, it's coming forward, the knee's a little farther up. I'm pulling lines going over the surface, and rendering over that surface. Now I'm feeling the knee coming out. And this is now I feel the pelvis is sticking out. Going over that surface, take and give to it. The more we find that all of the line work or the brush work has pretty much disappeared. The wash is always a good opportunity to be able to show mass a little bit better. For instance, here, what I'm doing is I'm leaving the edge of the scapula show, and so I'm taking and also drawing the plane of the shoulder area, so it's a little bit clearer. So now we can feel that. So that's coming out a lot clearer. And at the same time, I can do a certain amount of showing give a little bit more volume, and particularly when I start working into the belly, we can feel what would be the trapezius muscles coming down. Rough drawing, sketch from life, and then go back and using the reference that I had, what as it is. Not very good, but at least gave me a little jump on it.